This is my law firm potential client sales script. Okay, before I get to that though, I'm Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm, a 7-figure law firm, and I like sharing what I'm doing here so that you can use it for your own firm and hopefully hire me to do your bookkeeping. Okay, I also own Big Bird Accounting, a law firm bookkeeping firm. Would love to help you. You can trust me because I own my own law firm. My law firm sales script. It's pretty straightforward. The big overarching goal is find out what they need, tell them we can give them what they want. We're talking about estate planning sales script right now too. Again, really straightforward. Here's what I do. Step 1, set the agenda. Hey, how you doing? Great. This is how we do things. I'm going to get some information about your family, information about your assets, information about your goals. When that happens, I'm going to let you ask me any questions. I'm going to give you some ideas and we're going to go from there. Get confirmation. Is that cool? Yep. Okay, great. Then I'm going to ask questions about family. Are you married? Spouse's name? Do you have kids? Do you have a house? What are your assets like? Do you own a business? What's your net worth? We're going to get all that information so we have a good picture of what the potential client looks like. And then we're going to ask about goals. What got you to set the call? Number 1, why do we do this? It makes the reason for your meeting real for the potential client. You don't know if they care about taxes. You don't know if they care about protecting their kids. You don't know if they care about keeping their assets away from a crazy ex-spouse. You don't know any of this until you ask. So why'd you set the call? A lot of times also, a family member just died, that we had a terrible experience. You want to make sure that that doesn't happen. They are essentially telling you why they are going to hire you. So you are making it real for them again. The next thing I usually ask after that would be distributions, right? Where do you want everything to go? Do you want to go to spouse and the kids equally? Do you want it to go to your crazy uncle? Do you want to give to charity? What do you want to do? And they'll tell you, and that's great. At that point, like I said in the agenda, I ask them if they have any questions they want to ask. If they do, I answer them. Once that happens, then I give them sort of a broad overview of estate planning, what it is, how everything works. There's sort of a sequence that walks them through everything, how everything connects together. That generally gives them a good idea of what they want just in the description. So for example, if you have minor kids and you don't want them to get an inheritance outright at a young age, I talk to them about what a trust is and how it works. Okay, so I explain this whole process and then I simply say, do you have any questions? And if they have questions, I will answer them. Eventually they will say something along the lines of, how much does this cost? Once they ask me that, I will tell them how much it costs, and then I'll ask them, what's the next step for you? If they don't say they're ready to go, I say, what's the next step for you? Sometimes they say they're ready to go. Sometimes they say, I need to think about it. Sometimes they need to talk to the spouse. Sometimes they have another meeting with somebody. Whatever they say, that's what we do. Once that happens, I put them on a drip, which maybe I'll talk about in another video, to follow up with them automatically, and we go from there. Sales process takes about anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes, depending on how many questions they have, but it's super quick, super easy, super simple. Again, at the end of the day, we want to know, what are you looking for? Do you need help? And if I can help you, I will tell you I can help you. Okay, we don't get super in the weeds on the first call. We don't get super in the weeds, unless they really, really want to. Super high level, you need this, we can give it to you. You'll get much more signups if you take it that direction. You can do the hard stuff after they sign up. Okay, once they've committed to doing the work, they need to do the work, not before. So no questionnaires before, no hour-long meetings, quick and dirty. This is what we do. When you create content like this, by the way, it helps these meetings a lot because they already feel like they know who you are. They feel like they can already trust you. Even for my associate attorneys, their meetings go smoother as well because they've already seen this information and they already know that they can trust our firm. So that's it. All right. Use this script however you want. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. And when you need your bookkeeping done, I hope you think about Big Bird Accounting. We'd love to help you. We focus on law firm owners. Why? Because I'm a law firm owner. All right. Have a good one.